What's up everybody, it's RJ here and welcome back, or welcome me, because it's been a while since I've been on this channel. We have exciting news. A month ago we bought a vintage Caravan for 7 grand, I think it was. I am inside it. Buying this van was going to be a renovation project. So a couple of days ago we started gutting the inside to have a look. We knew the van had some water damage, but to what extent we didn't know. Alright guys, it's Sunday afternoon and Bertha, a new vintage Caravan that we're about to renovate, and so this is pretty excited. She's already started taking all the cushions out.
We're not going to be reusing those because they're disgusting.
Yes.
Oh, another cushion. Oh,
Cushion everywhere.
look at that. That's nice. Idea of it at least. We definitely want to keep overheads. We're going to keep the clock.
Clock. Definitely the clock.
The original clock.
Cool.
It's going to.
Let's have a look. Look at that.
Oh,
Okay.
it's me. Oh.
Cool, eh? We're gonna
Definitely keeping the one outside. We might just move it.
That's
I
pretty
don't
cool.
know. I do like those. They're kind of. I don't know. We'll be careful taking them out just in case we decide.
Roof hatch, which
Maybe
is
it works.
yeah, it's a bit rusty.
Oh, crap, it's hard
Jesus.
Oh,
There it is. Like a slide out kitchen, little
Ooh.
stove, and that's pretty cool too.
Yeah.
What is that?
Stinks.
Does it?
Yeah.
You tell us the plan.
Paperwork ready. So, at the front, we want our bed at the front, but we can't fit a double-sized bed because the space is too small. Basically, what's there is a king single, and we are both not sharing a king single. So,
Why not? We're not big people.
we are not sharing
We
a
can
king
fit
single.
King single.
Not going from a king bed at home to a king single. So we're actually going to do a futon in the front that folds down to a double-sized bed. So we can push that up during the day, use it as a couch, and then fold it down at night for our sleeping. So because it will cover the door, so we've got to have something that we can push back. Then we're going to turn this way. I'm going to do it the female way. We're going to have the kitchen on this side, so we've got to leave enough room for the futon to fold out. And then we'll start the cabinetry and do the kitchen on this side with the fridge. At the back we're going to have the toilet and hopefully a shower. We think we might get away with the toilet and shower. So that'll be sort of in this section here. Hopefully toilet and shower. Ooh, cupboards for the boys' clothes, and then bunks along this side. And then we're going to have the pantry and a little bit of bench space in that corner. So the pantry will sort of be here, and then we'll have a little bench so we're not walking straight into a cupboard. It'll have like a bit of a curve on it.
Yeah.
So that's the hopeful plan.
We don't know what we're doing though. We don't even know where we're going to start ripping this out or gutting this out.
No idea.
A friend of ours that came here last night who worked for Jurgens, and he's made some awesome,
Bit of a plug.
yeah, name dropping.
Who worked for a caravan
For a
mob.
Caravan mob. We're not sponsored by Jurgens. He worked through the production line, and his suggestion when you start ripping things out,
Reverse to what it's installed.
on how they, yes, that's right, reverse on how.
But I don't
it's
know what's
installed.
installed last, so that's not helpful.
But normally,
at all.
but he did say to me last night that this and that, but I just can't remember. So,
Maybe
anyways,
message him.
we're just gonna rip it.
We're going to at least get this out, try and pull out some of the table, the stuff that's sort of more removable.
Yeah. Yeah, we had some damages there. Expose the frame and make sure everything's alright. Yeah. And there we go. Let's start doing this. Peace.
Where are we? What are we in? What are we in? Inside? Wow.
Hey.
Hi.
What are you doing? In a caravan?
Yeah.
Oh, careful with your feet. Fall through the floor.
Look at that. How rotten is that? Yeah, replace that. Replace the hole. Look at that, it's not even touched. Cut this so it can be freed up. I gotta replace that whole timber there. So
whatever these things are.
so let's taking out the table that was attached to there.
Oh my god, it probably weighs more than I do, which is actually really good.
That's pretty heavy.
I can weigh my own leg.
Wow.
It's really heavy. I can't
That's
believe
funny.
a piece of wood can be that heavy. It's
Look,
just wood,
it
isn't
looks
it?
waterlogged though.
Wow.
So we got
There's no way.
plenty to do.
I can't believe how heavy that is. I was expecting like, yeah,
Yeah. Look.
you're gonna have to pass it to me. I can't.
All
Yeah,
right.
that opens it up heaps though, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. As you can see, we got rotten timber. Plan of attack. So it looks like
We're selling it and we're not doing it. No. Section by section.
section by section.
So we can't go and rip out timber and not have anything holding anything.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to take out bits, replace what we can as we go, work our way.
Around. Because like, example, this is not holding anything. I just worry that if we completely gut the whole lot, it'll just cave in on us.
Yeah.
But
So
yeah.
that was only being held because we had the ply
Yeah.
holding it, nailed to everything and tight. So obviously once we've removed that, that's not going to do any good if we go and just do the whole lot. So
Yeah. Anyways, fun times.
good times.
Looks like you got plenty of work to do. Yeah, look at here. That's absolutely rotten there. And that's on the outside of the caravan. So I'm gonna have to take the panels out, take the J-rail out, take that panel out and replace it from there.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video.
Yeah, good job.
Bye.